Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobilemechanic 757, working on a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee doing the AC vacuum. As you can see, it is in a vacuum right now. And I got a few questions for the customer. We did not do the AC repairs, we're just doing the vacuuming and the AC recharge. When you bought the compressor, did you buy a orifice tube or a AC receiver and dryer for this vehicle? All right, so what's going to happen is when you buy a compressor from Rock Auto, Advance, or AutoZone, the manufacturer warranty is going to want you to have that with it because it's going to prematurely destroy the compressor, because the receiver and dryer job is to take out the moisture out of the system, which is a huge no-no for any kind of air conditioned systems. So you might enjoy the air condition this year, but sometime next year the compressor is gonna die on you. You're gonna call them up and say, hey, I want my warranty, and they're gonna ask you, did you replace the receiver and dryer or the orifice tube? And when you say no, you do not have a warranty with anybody. I do not know why the person put this in and did not warn you about that. Also, you have this brand new R1234YF. If there's any leaks and this person did not change any of the O-rings as he's supposed to with the compressor, you're going to leak out this brand new Freon. How much was this Freon when you had to get it for this job? $159.99. And the person, did you see them actually do this job?
I was out for part of it, but we paid the rest. They ended up calling
Oh,
me.
so you don't even know if they changed the O-rings or anything?
Well, from what he said, he changed everything that he was supposed to, but
Okay.
I didn't have to do what you said about the orifice tube and the other two parts.
Right, you should always change the orifice tube or the AC receiver and dryer, depends on what came with the vehicle. We never do any compressor jobs without that, because we do not want to see you the very next year saying that it died, and this stuff is already expensive. You're already in the hundreds, close to thousands of dollars already. And plus what I'm doing now is put it into a vacuum, and then I'm gonna check for a leak, and then I'm gonna put the Freon in, and this stuff is extremely expensive. I'm very sorry this happened to you, but I just want you to educate you to this. Do you have any questions?
I really appreciate it.
Not a problem. All right, so we're going to be putting this into a vacuum no less than 30 to 45 minutes. After we finish with the vacuum, we're going to turn the vacuum pump off, and we're going to make sure that the needle is not moving very much at all, because that means there is a leak somewhere. So we're going to make sure it holds pressure within itself before we put any Freon in, because the very last thing that we want to do is pump this in there, and then next thing you know, there's a leak somewhere. Everybody does what they do differently, but we're getting to the same exact results. Again, everybody does what they do differently, but we're getting to the exact same results. There's your vacuum pump. This is the high side, the red, going all the way down to the high side port. This is the blue, is the low side, going all the way down to the low side port. The yellow is going directly to the vacuum pump. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.